Taking a peek at the key fob for the Ranger. So unchanged from a style perspective year over year. Ford badge along the back. There's the unlock button, lock button, remote start, corner panic alarm, and then there's also the emergency access key. So if the fob's ever died on you, you could easily get inside the vehicle just by inserting and twisting. And there are a few unique fob tricks that you've got as well. So first one I guess I'll show you is a remote start. In order to do it, you press the lock button once, circle button twice. You can see there, we're started up. In order to cancel the remote start, you press that circle button there once. But one thing I do like is how this thing has power folding side view mirrors now as well. The key fob also has a few extra tricks, so you can use the fob to roll the windows down and back up again. In order to roll them down, you press the unlock button twice, and on the second button press, you're going to hold. So you're going to go 1, 2, and hold. Down they go. You can press the lock button to pause them part way, and then to restart the process, you do the same thing. So unlock twice. Once they start rolling down, you can release, and down all 4 of them go. And then rolling them back up is also a straightforward process. So you press the lock button twice. On the second button press, you're going to hold. So you're going to go 1, 2, and hold. See there, they're going up. You can press the unlock button to pause it. And then same idea to continue the cycle. You press the lock button again twice. And back up they go. Now, if for whatever reason those fob tricks aren't working for you, Ken, just intelligent access. Get inside. There we go. That's what I was waiting for. All right. And inside, look at that. Love that little cluster. Start her up. Love that new look. But if you want to walk through on the steering wheel cluster or the infotainment system, you'll find that down in the description of the video. But the basic tricks that we need to enable here, if you go vehicle, there we go. So remote start. If remote start's not working, you just have to make sure that it's toggled on. You can have the vehicle determine the climate, if the heated seats and steering wheel come on, and how long the remote start lasts for as well. And then you've also got the remote window open and close. So you could disable these ones as well if you wanted to. But that's the basics of using the key fob and then disabling the necessary features inside of the new Ranger.